Hi everyone and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Milan. Indeed, one of Italy's most impressive and fashionable cities, full of history and architectural masterpieces. And we're about to visit together an outstanding property. It is located steps away to the renowned Quadrilatero della Moda, so very close to Monte Napoleone, Via della Spiga, Piazza San Babila, doubtlessly among the most desired residential areas of the city. Today's property is located on the top floors of an important palazzo. It is an incredible apartment of over 400 square meters and with its own terrace of over 100 square meters that I can't wait to show you. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is located on the 5th floor of the palazzo. It has two separate entrances. The main one leads to two elevators or the stairway, whilst the other one is the entrance for the car. There is an automatic gate which leads to respectively two private parking spots and in the end also a third elevator, leading to the second access of the apartment. The property has about 440 square meters of internal spaces, with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It is currently unfurnished, but that will show indeed how broad its spaces really are. As we step inside, we find ourselves into this entrance. From here, we get onto the left to a convenient service bathroom. Right behind me, we have the second access to the bedroom area, whilst on the right, the entrance opens onto one of the most impressive spaces of the apartment. Just the living area by itself is about 100 square meters, and it is indeed the heart of the apartment. With these broad spaces, parquet floor everywhere, and these large windows that ensure a view, but also a lot of light. In terms of spaces, this was thought to be the central reception and sitting area. Initially, it was thought to be divided into two smaller sitting spaces, but another interesting and surely beautiful setup would be to leave it as a one open area. By the sitting space, we have direct access onto what is the dining area, as well full of light and with beautiful views. Through this door, then, finally, we have this large kitchen with this beautiful steel island in the center. Over here, we have the rest of the kitchen with a marble top. And in the end, by opening this door, we access onto the terrace. On this other side, we can notice a very interesting setup. In fact, here we have the second door access to the apartment. It has its own staircase, but also its own elevator, and can be conveniently used by a housekeeper if you'd like the housekeeper to live into the property, because over here we have what currently is a wardrobe space and a laundry, but could be easily converted into a bedroom with its own laundry and bathroom, perfect to host a housekeeper that has her own independent access. Let's now start having a look at the rest of the rooms connected to the living area. Over here we find what in the past was a large office space, and just like all of the other bedrooms, it has this large armored door for extra safety, and it could be also conveniently converted into a nice bedroom with a good view. Right beside the office space, we get to this hallway. All of the spaces have been intelligently used by including several wardrobes included into the walls. And from here, we have the access to 3 rooms. 2 of them are 2 large bedrooms, whilst in the end, we have what currently is another office space, but could be as well converted into a bedroom. By the end of the hallway, we have 2 bathrooms. They have the same access, so they're connected. One of them has a shower and the other has its own bathtub. By the bathroom, then, we have another door which separates this bedroom space we've just seen, which is perfect for kids, from the master bedroom area, which actually has its own independent access by the entrance we've just passed by earlier. Over here, we get to this hallway as well, full of wardrobes onto the walls. Have a look at this one. The hallway then leads to the large master bedroom with quite high ceilings, a nice view outside of the window. Over here we have this mirror where there used to be the vault in the past, and through the door finally we have, of course, the large ensuite bathroom. We're now back inside the huge living area we've seen earlier. Through this door, I'd like to show you the beautiful veranda of the property. It is, of course, full of natural light, and it is heated, so it's really warm. As well, here we find the parquet floor, and this is the perfect place to sit back, relax, enjoy a meal or a cup of coffee, feeling like you're outside even in the winter season. And finally, we have the terrace of the apartment, which is over 100 square meters, and it indeed is the icing on the cake for a home like this. From here, on a clear day, you can even see, aside from the view, the tip of the Duomo over here. And what better place to end today's property tour than here, on this beautiful terrace. This property indeed has lots of potential, some immense spaces, and I hope to show it to you personally when you come to Milan. Let me know. One thing before I leave you is to please subscribe to our channel for new amazing homes every week. Also leave a comment and let us know what you liked about this property. I will see you soon. Ciao.